എന്താ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നെ? We discussed about a program which displays 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. അല്ലേ? So when we write a Java program, everything is in a class. Okay, first we create one class. So we have to make that class as public. Okay, so public class, then class name. Public class name. My class name is pyramid. Okay, so inside my class pyramid, I am okay, main function. Okay, I'm writing main function. Public static void name string class. Okay, and inside that main function, here we have 5 rows. Okay, so inside that main function, I am declaring my variables I, j, and rows, and I am initializing the variable rows to the value 5. Okay. Okay. And we are going to use our for loop. For I is equal to for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to rows I plus plus. For j equal to 1, j less than or equal to I, j plus plus. Then to display the numbers, we are using system.out.print, not println, because we need to write those numbers. We need to display those numbers on the same line. Okay. So system.out.print the value of j, and we need some space following the value of j. Okay. Then after closing for loop of j variable, we need to switch to a new line. So again, system.out.println. Okay, after closing for loop of I variable I, then closing our main function, then our class. Okay. Program clear ആണോ? Hello. Respond to you. Okay. So just a system.out.println കാര്യം ഒന്ന് പറയാനേ. If we write system.out.println out dot println, and I am giving hello. Okay. If we write a statement like this, it will print hello. It will display the same thing you are written between these double quotes. Okay. And then it switches to new line. It goes to new line. Okay. But if we write like this, system.out.print hello, it will display the same message and it remains in the same line. Okay, that's the difference. Okay. Hope that everyone understood this program. Okay. Next, I want to print the pattern like 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay. Now my pattern is 1. On the first line, only 1, 1. And on the second line, I need to print 2 for 2 times. And on the third line, 3 for 3 times. Okay. How can we do that? Just go through this program. Okay. The first step is we need to create a class. Public class pyramid. Okay. Then main function. Okay. Hello. കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ? അവിടെ ആരെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടോ? എൻ്റെ പാറ്റേൺ അപ്പം മാറിയിട്ടുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? എങ്ങനെയായിരുന്നു ഇതുവരെ? ജസ്റ്റ് 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 ആ ഒരു രീതിയിലായിരുന്നു നമ്മൾ പോയിക്കൊണ്ടിരുന്നത് അല്ലേ? ഇപ്പം ഈച്ച് ലൈൻ എങ്ങനെയാണ് വന്നിട്ടുള്ളത്? സെയിം നമ്പർ ഈസ് റിപ്പീറ്റിംഗ് ഫോർ എ പെർട്ടിക്കുലർ നമ്പർ ഓഫ് ടൈംസ് അല്ലേ? റോ നമ്പർ എന്താണോ അത്രയും ടൈംസ് ആ സെയിം നമ്പർ തന്നെയാണ് വരുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ. അപ്പം പാറ്റേൺ ഈസ് സെയിം. സോ ഒരു ചെറിയൊരു ചേഞ്ച് ഇവിടെ വേണ്ടു. ഈ ഒരു പ്രോഗ്രാമിൽ ചെറിയൊരു ചേഞ്ചേ വേണ്ടു ടു ഗെറ്റ് ദിസ് പാറ്റേൺ. ഓക്കെ. ആ ചേഞ്ച് എന്താണ് വേണ്ടതെന്നുള്ളത് നിങ്ങളൊന്ന് നോക്കിയിട്ട് പറയണം. ഇവിടെ എന്തിനാ ഇങ്ങനെ വെച്ചേക്കുന്നത് എന്ന് മനസ്സിലായോ? ജെ പ്ലസ് ഡബിൾ കോട്ട്സ്, സം സ്പേസ് ഇൻ ദാറ്റ് ഡബിൾ കോട്ട്സ്. എന്തിനാണ് അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്തത്? നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഹലോ, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടോ എന്ന് അറിയാൻ വേണ്ടി ചോദിക്കുന്നതാണ്. ഓക്കെ. ജെ പ്ലസ് ആ സ്പേസ് വന്നിട്ടുള്ളത് എന്തിനു വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്? കൺസിഡർ ദിസ് ലൈൻ. ഓക്കെ. We need to print that value and a space should be there. Then next value. അങ്ങനെ സ്പേസ് ഫോളോ ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് പ്ലസ് വെച്ചിട്ടുള്ളത്. ഓക്കെ. കോൺകാറ്റിനേഷൻ. ഓക്കെ. ഓക്കെ. സോ ഇവിടെ നോക്കുക, നമുക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു പാറ്റേൺ ആണ് പ്രിന്റ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. ഓക്കെ. സോ ഇവിടെയാണ് നമുക്കൊരു ചേഞ്ച് വരുത്താനുള്ളത് അല്ലേ? If we displace the value of j, we get 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So instead of j, what should be there? Okay. So in the main function, we declared three variables, I, j, rows. Okay, the value of rows is equal to 5. So the value of rows equal to 5. Okay, then entering the for loop of variable I is equal to 1, I equal to 1, I less than or equal to rows. It is checking whether I less than or equal to rows. 1 less than or equal to 5. Condition is true. Okay, so it's entering the for loop of variable I. Okay, again there is another for loop of variable j. J is equal to 1. J less than or equal to I. I 1 less than or equal to 1. So the condition is true. Then we need to print not j. We need to print 1. After seeing the closing braces of for loop, then the value of j will be incremented to 2, and again it will check the condition whether 2 less than or equal to 1. Condition fails. Then it sees system.out.println. So it just go to the new line. Okay, again it says the crossing braces of for loop of variable I. Okay, so I will be incremented I equal to 2 now. Again it will check the above condition whether 2 is less than or equal to 5. The condition is true. Again we go for loop j is equal to 1. 1 less than or equal to 2, which is true. Now we need to print the value 2. It says the crossing braces of j loop. Okay, then the value of j will be incremented. J is equal to, j will be 2. J equal to 2. Again it will check whether 2 less than or equal to 2. J less than or equal to I. 2 less than or equal to, condition is true. Again it will displays the same thing. Okay, so after that we'll get 2 on the same line. Okay, again it will see the crossing braces of for loop j will be incremented. J is equal to 3, and it checks whether 3 is less than or equal to 2. Condition failed. Okay, again I will be incremented I equal to 2. It checks whether 3 is less than or equal to 5. I less than or is equal to rows. Condition is true. Okay, so here whenever I is equal to 1, we need to print 1. Or whenever we want to display the value 2, the value of I is also 2. Okay, so the variable I should be displayed. Okay, is that clear to you? Hello? Okay, so instead of displaying the variable j, we use the variable I here. Then we get this pattern: 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay. And next pattern, star, star, sorry, star, star, star. Okay. On the first line, I need to display 5 stars. On the second line, 4 stars. The third line, 3 stars. The fourth line, 2 stars. And on the fifth line, only 1 star. Okay. I want to print this pattern using Java program. Okay. So what is the first thing we need to do? Create a class. Okay. Hello, മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടോ? Programs മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടോ പിള്ളേരെ? Okay. So here, on the first line, we need to display, we need to print 5 stars. Okay. So, we are creating one class, public class name. Wait a minute, I am just giving the same name. Okay. Then our main function, public static void main. Okay, void means public static void main string outs. Okay. Then what's the next step? എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം പറയൂ? What's the next step? Variable declaration. Okay, variable declaration. Here we need 5 lines, 5 rows. Okay, so as usual we are using I, J, and we are initializing our variable rows to 5. Okay. Okay. Then we need to change here the same code. Okay. For loopിലാണ് ചെറിയൊരു ചേഞ്ചസ് വരുത്തിയാൽ നമുക്കിത് കിട്ടും. Okay. In the previous program we wrote I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to rows, I plus plus. Okay. In the sense that it is the first row. And we displayed something for this time. അല്ലേ? I is equal to 1 ആണ് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്തത് പ്രീവിയസ് പ്രോഗ്രാമിലൊക്കെ. എന്നിട്ട് ഐന്റെ നമ്പർ എത്രയാണോ അത്രയും ടൈംസ് ആണ് വി ഡിസ്പ്ലേഡ് ദിസ് വാല്യൂ. അല്ലേ? ആണോ? പറയുന്നത് മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടോ? പ്രീവിയസ് പ്രോഗ്രാമിൽ നമ്മൾ അങ്ങനെയാണ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. ഓക്കെ, നൗ ദ പാറ്റേൺ ഹാസ് ചേഞ്ച്ഡ് അല്ലേ? On the first line itself, we are printing 5 stars. We are not printing only 1 star. Okay. അപ്പോൾ എവിടെ ആയിരിക്കും ചേഞ്ച് വരുത്തേണ്ടത്? ഒന്ന് ജസ്റ്റ് ആ പ്രോഗ്രാമിലൂടെ ഒന്ന് ജസ്റ്റ് ഒന്ന് നോക്കിയിട്ട് പറയാൻ പറ്റുമോ? If I is equal to 1, then we are only printing that whatever we want to print, star or whatever value, we are printing that for only one time. Okay, now we want to print that star for 5 times. Okay, so what should be the value of I? I should be 5. So I should be 5 for the first time, and for the second time, for the second loop, it should be 4. And for the next time, it should be 3, then 2, then 1. Okay. So we need to write here 4, I is equal to rows. Okay, for I is equal to rows. For I is equal to rows, I greater than or equal to 1, I minus minus. Okay, I is equal to 0 എന്നുള്ളത് നമ്മൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല. At least I should be 1. Okay, ഇതെങ്ങനെ എഴുതി എന്നുള്ളത് മനസ്സിലായോ? ഹലോ, I is equal to rows, because എത്ര number of rows ഉണ്ടോ അത്ര number of stars ആണ് ഫസ്റ്റ് നമ്മൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് ലൈനിൽ പ്രിന്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Okay, so simply I is equal to rows, I greater than or equal to 1, I minus minus. Okay, then next, J loop. What should be the value of J? Usually, J is the number of times we are printing or we are displaying star. Le? Ano? ശരിക്കും J ലൂപ്പിലാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? Displaying that star. Okay. Jന്റെ കണ്ടീഷൻ J equal to or greater than or equal to less than or equal to I ആണോ നോക്കിയിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ പ്രിന്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Okay, so J അങ്ങനെ തന്നെയാണ്. For J is equal to 1, J greater than or equal to I, J plus plus. Okay, then system dot out dot print, not print ln, system dot out dot print star some space. Closing the for loop of J variable. Again, we need to switch to a new line. So system dot out dot print ln. Okay, closing for loop of variable I, closing main function and closing class. Okay, so just to manually execute it. rows is equal to 5. Okay, the value of rows equal to 5, and we are starting our for loop. For I is equal to rows means I is equal to 5, and it is checking whether I greater than or equal to 1. I is equal to 5, 5 greater than or equal to 1, condition is true. Okay, so we are entering the for loop body of variable I. Again, we are seeing another for loop of variable j. For j is equal to 1, for j is equal to 1, j greater than or equal to, sorry, j, no, j less than or. It can't be greater than, j can't be greater than 1. Sorry, j can't be greater than I, because I is already having a value which is greater than j. Okay, I is equal to 5 1. Okay, so the condition should be j less than or equal to I. J is starting from 1. Okay, so j less than or equal to I, that means 1 less than or equal to 5, which is again true, and we are entering the for loop body of variable j. It is saying that system.out.print star space. Okay, so we are going to print a star and a space. Okay. Okay. Next it sees the closing braces of for loop of variable j. J will be incremented to 2. Again, it will check the condition whether 2 is less than or equal to 5. Again, the condition is true. So, it simply execute the body of for loop of variable j. Again, it will displace the star and a space. Okay. Okay, again it says the closing braces of for loop of variable j. So the value of j will be incremented, j equal to 3 now, and it will check the condition, the same condition, j less than or equal to I. Okay, so it will check 3 less than or equal to 5, condition is true. So again it will execute thus the body of for loop of variable j, star and some space. Okay, star space. Again it says the closing braces of j for loop. J will be 4, 4 less than or equal to 5, condition true. Again prints star and some space. Again the closing braces of for loop, j will be 5, 5 less than or equal to 5, condition true. Again it prints star. Again closing braces of j, for loop, j will be 6 now, 6 less than or equal to 5, condition fails. It exits the for loop of variable j. Okay, so here we have 5 stars on the first line. Okay, is that clear to you? Okay. Then after exiting from for loop of j variable, it says system.out.println. Okay. So then it switches to new line. Again it says closing braces of for loop of variable I, So the value of I is incremented. I is equal to, sorry, I is decremented. Okay, we use I minus minus here. So the value of I is decremented. I is having the value 5. So after decrementing, it will be 4. I equal to 4. Then let's check whether 4 I is greater than or equal to 1. So 4 greater than or equal to 1. It will check the condition be given in the for loop I greater than or equal to 1. Okay. So 4 greater than or equal to 1. The condition is true. So it will enter the body of for loop of variable I. Then it says J loop. J is equal to 1. J less than or equal to I. Okay. J less than or equal to I. 1 is less than or equal to 4. Condition true. Okay. Then it simply displays star system.out.print star. Okay. So star and some space will be there. Okay. Then we see the closing braces of for loop. J will be incremented to 2 because there we used J plus plus. Okay, so J will be incremented to 2. Again, it checks whether J is less than or equal to the value of I, 2 less than or equal to 4. Condition is true. Okay, whenever the condition is true, the body of for loop of variable J is executed. So again, we get star on the same line. Okay. Again, it says the closing braces of J for loop. So the value of J is incremented to 3 and it checks whether 3 is less than or equal to 4. Condition true. So again, it executes system.out.print star space. Okay. Again, value of J is incremented. J is equal to 4 now. 4 less than or equal to 4, which is true. Again, it executes system.out.print star space. Again, J is 5. 5 less than or equal to 4. Condition failed. So it stops. It exits the for loop of variable J and then it sees system.out.println. So to new line. Okay, closing braces of I. So I value will be decremented. I value will be decremented to 3. It checks whether I is greater than or equal to 1. 3 is greater than or equal to 1. Condition true. Okay, again it executes the body of for loop of variable I for the third time. Okay, C is the J loop. J is equal to 1. It checks whether J is less than or equal to I. So 1 less than or equal to 3. Condition true. Okay. It prints star and some space. Okay. Again, closing braces of J. So J is equal to 2. It checks whether 2 less than or equal to 3. Condition true. So again, it executes the line, the body of J for loop system.out.println. Sorry, print, not println, print star. Okay. Then closing braces of J. J will be 3. 3 less than or equal to 3. Condition true. So again, it executes the body of for loop, J for loop. Again, it displays star and some space. There will be 4. 4 less than or equal to 3. Condition failed. So it exits from J for loop. There it will see a new line. And I is again decremented to 2. And 2 is greater than or equal to 1. Okay. Hello, program code clear ആണോ? എങ്ങനെ കിട്ടിയെന്നുള്ള മനസ്സിലായോ പാറ്റേൺ? ഒന്ന് റെസ്പോണ്ട് ചെയ്തേ. ഓക്കെ, Okay, so the next pattern. Next pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 1. This is my next pattern. Okay. എങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യും? Okay, do this as an homework. Okay. നാളെ ഞാൻ ഈ പാറ്റേൺ ചോദിക്കും. Okay. So, attendance. Abhijit, Anuvind, Aparna,
Present, Miss.
Archita,